a water hose. You know, one thing I never was thinking about before we went camping was a water hose. It seems so basic, but hear me out. Whether you're filling up your RV's water tank or doing the dishes, it's a lifesaver. And it's sometimes even fun when you're giving your family a quick rinse. But just make sure that the water hose is safe for drinking water. Unfortunately, we bought one that wasn't, and it gets weird smell when it sits in the sun for all the day. So we have to go and fill our drinkable water directly from the water hookup, which can be pretty annoying.